Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hi guys, welcome nga pala sa ating channel. This is Ronex, your mentor on this course. I have a few years of experience in web development at ituturo ko sa inyo lahat ng nalalaman ko sa web development. If you are a career shifter o gusto maging isang web developer, ay para sa inyo ang course na ito. Pwedeng-pwede kahit na sino at no prior knowledge in programming is required. Ang HTML pala ay isang markup language at hindi siya isang programming language. I will explain later sa susunod nating mga episode kaya huwag kalimutan mag-like, subscribe at pag-share na lang din ang tutorial na ito. So, pagkatapos ng course na ito ay marunong na kayong gumawa ng template at pag-structure ng isang website. Ang HTML pala ay isa sa tatlong main foundation sa paggawa ng isang website o di kaya web application. As you can see in this presentation, we have HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Those are the main core foundation for para sa isang website. Yeah, so makikita nyo dito ang HTML ay parang buto siya. Tapos yung JavaScript is mga functionality niya. Tapos CSS nagbibigay ng style para sa inyong website. And then once you finish HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, we'll jump into frameworks and back-end technology. So what are frameworks? Frameworks para maging mabilis yung pag-develop ng isang website by using frameworks. But still, we are using JavaScript here. So as you can see, we have React.js, which is a front-end framework, just like Facebook. Facebook's behind this community for React.js. And Next.js it's a type of a full stack framework. Pwede kang gumamit ng back-end implementation, back-end codes, back-end syntax. And then pwede kang gumawa ng API para sa website mo within one framework. And then yung Node.js naman is a back-end technology, but it's still JavaScript. And then sa Nest.js naman is it's a type of Node.js framework which we can write API and then back-end syntax like that. I think this is the full roadmap that we need to get on para maging job ready. Alam nyo ba na ang average salary of web developer ay sa entry level is 20,000 to 35,000 per month? Wala ka pang experience niyan. Ano pa lang, hired by a company as an entry level. Tapos yung mid level naman is 35 to 60 around dito sa Pilipinas at pag naging senior level ka na nasa mga 60 to 100,000 yung monthly mo. At sa ngayon ito lang ang mai-share ko sa introduction at roadmap natin sa ngayon. Huwag kalimutang mag-like and share our video and kita-kits sa next video. Thank you.